Attention-grabbing opening. Are you tired of living with the daily struggle of arthritis pain? Do you feel like you've tried everything, but still can't find lasting relief? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world suffer from the debilitating effects of this chronic condition. But what if I told you that there's a natural solution that could provide you with the relief you've been searching for? Pique interest with a preview. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most effective natural remedies for managing arthritis pain. From simple lifestyle changes to time-tested herbal supplements, we'll uncover a range of options that could help you reclaim your freedom and get back to living the life you love. Understanding arthritis. Arthritis is a complex condition that involves inflammation and stiffness in the joints. There are over 100 different types of arthritis, with the most common being osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Osteoarthritis is caused by the wear and tear of the cartilage that cushions the joints, while rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disorder where the body's immune system attacks the joints. Arthritis can affect people of all ages, but it's especially common in older adults. The symptoms can vary widely, but often include joint pain, swelling, stiffness, and reduced range of motion. These symptoms can make it difficult to perform everyday tasks, such as walking, climbing stairs, or even gripping objects. Natural remedies for arthritis pain. While conventional treatments for arthritis often involve medications, there are a number of natural remedies that can provide relief without the potential side effects. Here are some of the most promising options. Exercise. Regular exercise is one of the most effective natural treatments for arthritis. Low-impact activities, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, can help strengthen the muscles around the joints, improve flexibility, and reduce inflammation. Gentle stretching and range of motion exercises can also help to maintain joint function and mobility. Weight management. Carrying excess weight can put additional stress on the joints, especially the knees, hips, and ankles. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise can help to alleviate the symptoms of arthritis and slow the progression of the condition. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese practice that involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body. Studies have shown that acupuncture can be effective in reducing pain and improving joint function in people with arthritis. Herbal supplements. Certain herbs and plant-based compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties that can benefit people with arthritis. Some of the most promising options include turmeric, ginger, boswellia, and willow bark. Topical treatments. Applying creams, ointments, or oils containing natural ingredients, such as menthol, camphor, or capsaicin, can help to provide localized relief for joint pain and inflammation. Dietary changes. Adopting a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, can help to reduce inflammation and ease the symptoms of arthritis. Avoiding processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats may also be beneficial. Combining natural remedies for maximum effectiveness. While each of these natural remedies can be effective on their own, the best results often come from combining multiple approaches. For example, incorporating regular exercise, weight management, and herbal supplements into your daily routine can provide a comprehensive solution for managing arthritis pain. It's important to note that the effectiveness of natural remedies can vary from person to person, and it may take some trial and error to find the right combination that works best for you. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment regimen, especially if you are taking any medications or have any underlying health conditions. In conclusion, there are many natural and holistic approaches that can provide relief from the pain and discomfort of arthritis. By exploring options like exercise, weight management, acupuncture, herbal supplements, and dietary changes, you can take control of your health and find the solutions that work best for you. Remember, the key is to be patient and persistent. It may take some time to find the right combination of natural remedies that provides the relief you're seeking. But with a little bit of determination and a willingness to try new things, you can experience a significant improvement in your quality of life and start living pain-free. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards natural arthritis relief today and discover the power of these holistic solutions. Your journey to a healthier, happier life starts now.